To cancel your Total Wireless line online in 2025, you have three primary methods: account portal, live chat, and phone support. As a prepaid service, there are typically no early termination fees. First, use the Total Wireless website or My Verizon app. Log in, go to Account Settings or Manage Lines, select the line to cancel, and confirm. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Second, live chat is available 24/7 on the Total Wireless website. Chat agents will guide you through the cancellation process and verify your identity. Third, you can call 1-888-442-5102 and speak to a representative. They will handle the cancellation process. Each method requires you to settle any outstanding balances or equipment fees before deactivation. Remember to document all interactions, especially chat logs, in case of disputes. When canceling Total Wireless, ensure you understand the terms and check for any equipment fees, which are rare but possible if the device was financed. Your service stops immediately upon confirmation, and remember that your SIM card can be reused with a new provider. The wireless industry is shifting toward digital interactions, with online cancellations increasing annually. Future trends include more AI-driven support and integration with Verizon's ecosystem for unified billing. Be cautious of scams involving fake cancellation emails. Always confirm cancellations through the official Total Wireless portal. Experts rate Total Wireless highly for cancellation ease, but staying informed about your rights and documenting interactions is crucial.